Hello viewers, how are you? Hope well. In this video, we'll shortly discuss about Canadian pop singer Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber is such type of singer who receives fame and popularity within young age. Bieber has received 2 Brit Awards, 1 Bambi Award and numerous fan-voted awards, which include 12 American Music Awards, 20 Teen Choice Awards and 22 MTV Europe Music Awards. Bieber has also been voted as the winner for 1 Grammy Award and 14 Guinness World Records as well. But without any professional music training, a middle-class family boy to reaching today's position has a long history, and this video will discuss about that in short. Justin Bieber was born in Canada in the year 1994. Proof that his present age is 26 and his height is 5 feet 9 inches. The amazing fact is that his parents never married. When his mother was 18, gave birth Justin. Even single mother, she wanted to abortion, but she changed her decision later and gave birth Justin. In that time, she also didn't imagine that her son will shake the whole world. He tasted music from the age of 4. In childhood, Justin composed songs whenever he found in front of him, and her mother was giving courage him to finding interest in his singing and sing a song in every local program. This fact made very proud to her mother. In 2007, her mother created a YouTube channel to show her relatives the singing interest of Justin Bieber. But that channel was gaining popularity rapidly, and you all know that there is a YouTube channel named Justin Bieber, who has 54 million subscribers, and it is the channel which created by her mother. If you want to see the video which uploaded before he became a celebrity, you need to go to the YouTube channel and see 12 years ago video. That time no one imagined that only this little boy would be a celebrity. So that's anyway the turning point came when his YouTube channel got viral, and that time Justin's channel achieved 20th rank all over the world and number 1 in Canada. So Justin Bieber's song has gone viral to YouTube all over the world, and that time Hollywood famous music director Scooter Braun was posting video on YouTube, but accidentally he found a video of Justin Bieber. He was singing Justin Bieber's this song. He became astonished to watch such type of singing by a little boy and decided to make an album with him. For this reason, he rang up Justin Bieber's mother to offer the proposal, but his mother considered that it might be a scam. But Scooter Braun directly entered to Justin's home with American popular pop singer Asher Roth, and he directed him to prepare Justin Bieber. 1 year after he reached America in June 2009, his first single song released on YouTube, One Time, which achieved first position among hundreds of Hollywood top chart. After that, in 2009, released an album of Bieber named My World. But his main popularity gained in February 2010 when he released Baby Baby song, and this song became hit all over the world. Simultaneously, it achieved number 1 position in Hollywood. And this song was most viewed song before PSY's Gangnam Style. But there has an amazing fact about the song that it is the highest disliked song on YouTube. This video song got total 11 million dislikes, but after release the song Justin Bieber career turned to a pillar. After 1 month of releasing his Baby Baby song, Mustang released My All 2, and this song achieved rank first on Hollywood top chart in that month. For the Justin Bieber became iconic singer all over the world. Then his age was only 15 years. From that he hasn't turned back, and even in 2010 he achieved a huge fame through joining 127 concerts among 30 countries of the world. So in this ways, a middle class family's professionalness Justin Bieber achieved from YouTube to Hollywood and Hollywood to all over the world. Later part everyone knows. So we are not going to elaborate that part. But his some personal life facts are: in 2011, he created a relationship with another popular singer of Hollywood, and their love relationship started only at the age of 16, and it stayed to 2014. After all, in 2018, he married the American TV model Hailey Roth. The net worth of Justin Bieber is 285 million US dollar. He is too young right now, so there has lots of time to grow more. The list of Justin Bieber's car, motorcycle and private jet are such big that we need to make another video to discuss about it. Stay good, stay healthy, and please comment us about your favorite song from Justin Bieber.